So people often say they own their home, but if you stop paying property taxes, what happens? The government takes it. If you miss mortgage payments, the bank takes it. You're not the owner, you're a tenant with extra paperwork. And Grant Cardone laid it out pretty cleanly in a tweet he made on X. He said, "You don't own your home if you're forced to pay property taxes. You're renting for 30 years and calling it ownership. A house is a liability, not an asset." So let's break it down. Mortgage interest, the average 30-year fixed rate mortgage right now is 7% annually. Over 30 years, that's over 140% of your home's value paid in interest alone. Property taxes, the average U.S. property tax rate is 1.9%. That's another 57% of the home's value if unchanged over 30 years. Maintenance, 1% of the home's value per year is a common rule of thumb. That's another 30% over 3 decades. And insurance, home insurance varies, but 0.5% to 1% per year is typical, so add another 15 to 30%. So before we even talk about appreciation, the cost of holding a house for 30 years is well over double its purchase price. That's not ownership, that's being milked from every direction. But here's what everyone forgets: the hidden cost of debasement. You're paying for a home in dollars, and dollars are melting ice cubes. Let's throw a chart up on screen here that you could see home prices in US dollars versus Bitcoin from 2011 to 2025. Over the past 14 years, the average US home price in dollars has roughly doubled. But priced in Bitcoin, it's down over 315,000x. Let me say that again. If you had priced the median home in Bitcoin in 2011 and again today, the cost has collapsed by a factor of 315,000. So this isn't about home ownership, it's about what you denominate your wealth in. The real scam isn't the mortgage interest, it's that your cash is losing purchasing power every single day and you're not even noticing it. So what can you do? Well, that's where Horizon comes in. If you're already sitting on a house, you can flip the equation. Use your home equity without selling or taking on more debt to stack Bitcoin. Horizon lets homeowners tap their equity and put it into Bitcoin, something that has a proven track record of rising in value over time. You already paid the mortgage, you're still paying the taxes. Why not make your home work for you for real? Stop watching your wealth get siphoned away. Start stacking the one asset they can't debase. Visit joinhorizon.com to learn more or scan the QR code right there. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.